Hola muchachos, ¿qué tal? Buenos días, aquí tienen el horario para hoy, lunes el 12 de agosto. Learning target for today is to review both regular and irregular simple past tense grammar. To talk about past actions, and that's going to be our warm-up for today. ¿Qué hiciste el fin de semana pasado? Is asking, what did you guys do last weekend? Share with your partner in Spanish 3 things you guys did last weekend and share pics. For example, yo pasé tiempo con mi familia. Aquí tienes mi hija, mi hijo y mi mamá. Mi hijo y yo fuimos a San Francisco para ver un partido de los Gigantes y tomamos un ferry para llegar a San Francisco. And there you have the sentences written in Spanish. So 3 conjugations in the preterite. And if you need a little review, we're going to do that review together. Go over this PowerPoint. Spend about 10-15 minutes going over just the regular conjugations of the preterite, the situations that call for the preterite on the second slide, those 3 bullet points there. And then on the third slide, you have the endings, regular endings of AR verbs. And on the, 6th slide, you have the regular endings of both ER and IR verbs, as you see on the 8th slide. Using those notes, you're going to fill in the handout, which is right here, and which will be distributed to you guys. Not sure why that's uploading. I'll fix that. But this is what that handout looks like that'll be distributed to you. So you're essentially using the notes from that slideshow to fill in your regular AR endings. Again, haste, o, amos, aron. And your regular ER and IR verb endings in the preterite. Iste, io, imos, and ieron. You can also see those notes in the textbook, which we're going to be working from on page 4 of the textbook. And then on page 4, we're going to do exercises 1 and 2. Page 4, exercises 1 and 2, where exercise 1 is asking you to fill in or complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb provided in parentheses. So for example, yo cerré, C-E-R-R-E with an accent. Yo cerré las ventanas anoche. I closed the windows last night. Number 2, los estudiantes escribieron. E-S-C-R-I-B-I-E-R-O-N. Los estudiantes escribieron. And then the example for number 3, María y yo nadamos. N-A-D-A-M-O-S. So complete those conversations using the verbs provided. Number 2, a bit more tricky in that you have options to choose from for each blank. 3 different infinitives. So based on usually what comes after the verb, you're going to choose the correct verb that makes the most sense and then conjugate that verb according to your subject. We'll do 1 and 2 together. El sábado a las 10 de la mañana, mi hermano. To cost, to use, or to win. Well, if we're talking about a tennis match, we would use the verb to win. Mi hermano ganó. G-A-N-O with an accent mark above the O. And then number 2, then I'll have you guys do the rest with your partners in class. A la una, I to the store with my friends. Arrived is going to be the correct answer. Compartir is to share. Llevar is to take. So we arrive or we go to a store. Llegar in the yo form is a bit irregular, as you can see on the right-hand side. Cargars are verbs have a spelling change in the preterite, as you may recall from last year. Llegar is a gar verb. And so that G is going to change to a GU. This right here is the correct answer for number 2. Yo llegué a la tienda. All right, exercises 1 and 2 is all we're going to do to practice. And your homework for tonight is to finish the meet and greet activity, your autobiographical presentations. Watch this video here for instructions. and your PowerPoint and rubric to walk you through it. The PowerPoint gives you guided instructions. The rubric tells you quantitatively and qualitatively what I'm looking for in your responses to these 5 questions. Submit that assignment by replying and uploading the PowerPoint file, the video file, the Google slide link, or whatever format you guys are using. If you're doing a poster, just submit a picture so that there's something submitted in Canvas.